Hi, this is Laura GB, and in this video we're going to look at personalizing visuals inside a Power BI report. So let's start off from the point of the designer here in Power BI. So here's our report. First thing we need to do is we need to turn on the feature. So if you go to File, Options and Settings, and Options, and in Options go to Preview Features, and as this is a new feature, it's still under Preview, so you need to turn it on at the Personalize Visuals. It might ask you to restart Power BI. Then, in the report that you want to do this in, you then need to scroll down to Current File and Report Settings, and the last feature in there is Personalize Visuals. You need to turn that on and click OK. So into our report. Now I don't mind them changing that column chart, but actually this tree map down the bottom here I want to keep as a tree map. It's something we're using throughout lots of our reports and we want to keep it the same. So I highlight that visual, and under Format we scroll to the bottom and find Visual Header, expand that out. And if you're going to do this method, you have to scroll all the way down, you have to scroll all the way down again, and there it is, Personalized Visual. I can turn it off. Of course, there's a better way to do this. Let me go and pick the slicer, because we'd quite like to keep that slicer with this new and relative date. I can type into there the beginning of Personalize, and there we go, it comes up, and I can turn it off for that as well. So my report is now ready to publish. So let's go back to the home ribbon and click Publish. We're going to save, and we're going to send it to the Alpha workspace. And there we go, it's a success. So let's go and have a quick look in Power BI from the designer's point of view. So here we are in the Power BI service, logged in as Mike, who is the designer of this report. We click on Alpha, and there we are, we can see the report. But Mike being able to edit it is nothing new. Let's go and have a look at it from another person's point of view. So we're going to switch windows into Amy's window. So we can go and have a look in the Alpha workspace, and there we are. There is the report just recently put up, and I can open that report. So if I select this chart at the top here, I don't really want it to look like that, I want a different version. You can see when you select it, you get the icons across the top, and there is the Personalize this visual. So let's click onto there, and it gives you an extra dialog box. So I can say, well, I want a different visual. I don't want a stacked column chart. I want it to be a bar chart. And you know what? There's too many products there. I don't want that axis like that. I want it to be by the range of my products. So I just get my 3 bars. But then let's make use of the legend to be my product. And there we go. So they can walk through your data structure. So they can see what's in here. They can also see, so I can change that quantity to total units. I don't think it'll change it, but it gives me another way of doing it. Okay. And I can also add in a tooltip. So that's how Amy has decided she wants that chart to look. And if you look down here on this tree map, visualize this, click onto this tree map, Personalized visual is not there. And if I click onto the slicer, it's not there either. But be aware, it is there on those data cards. We didn't change those, so those could be changed to be something different. Once I'm happy with what I've done, I can actually go up to bookmarks, and I can add a personal bookmark. And I'm going to call it my version. And I can reset to default. And there you are. It's gone back to the default that was there. But I've got my bookmark. So I can put in my version and I can see it. If Amy wants to send this back to Mike to say, do you know what, Mike, love the report, but actually can we change this part here, please? What we can do is we can click share, which I know perhaps it isn't the most intuitive place to click, but it works. And we can put Mike into there and can we change the bar chart, column chart, sorry, to a bar as shown, please. There we go. So there's all the parts in there and include my changes. So if I then click share, so I get a success, it's been shared successfully. So now let's go and have a look at Mike's email. And here we are in the email and we can see Amy has shared a report with us. And I can click open this report. We've got the message. And there we are. And we can see Amy's changes the way she would like it to be. So we've taken a report. We've turned on personalising visuals. We've turned off being able to change one of the visuals. And we've looked at it from a member's point of view, that they can make their changes and they can send them back to the designer. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.